Okay, so for lesson 3, we are going to be completing a construction again. So again, this video will step you through the construction on how to do this. It is going to be the exact same screenshot that you submit for this assignment for the project Tools of the Trade lesson 3 assignment, which is the assignment right following after this. So there's no other work needed or required for the next assignment. It's just submit that exact same screenshot. So let's get going. So let's open this, and I'm going to duplicate it and actually pull it up so I can be moving one of them. And I'm not sure why that's not linking, but okay. So I'm just going to click the reset button to make sure that this is reset. There's the 45-degree angle. So first thing, in order to copy angle A, the first step is to draw a new ray. So choose the ray tool and then draw a ray by clicking on the white space in 2 locations that do not cause the ray to intersect the angle on the screen. Okay, so the ray tool is right here. We aren't wanting it to intersect this angle, so I'm just going to be selecting one right here and right here. And if you want, you can zoom in or zoom out so that you can see this better. I'm going to change this angle to 30 degrees or 31, just so that I know mine is unique, and I'm going to move this ray further down so that it's not going to intersect that. So choose the show/hide label tool to click on the 2 points that construct the ray. Now there is a ray DE. So show/hide tool, point and a point. So now I have ray D to E. For the next step, you need to construct circle A. Choose the circle with the center through point tool and click on the vertex A, then click on ray AB between point B. So we're going to click a circle with a center through point tool. We're going to click on A, and we're going to draw this out, not to B. I'm going to choose it actually in between so that this circle is in between. So now I have this point. We want to click on the show/hide tool so that we have this point is labeled F. The circle intersects angle A twice, and we need to define the intersection on ray AC. So to do that, we're going to click the intersect tool, select the circle, and select ray AC. There's our intersection. Click on the show/hide label, select the point, and that is point G. If you cannot see it clearly, please select the move button, and if it will let you, move it. If not, it's not allowing me to move it, so I understand. Alright, step 3. Next, copy circle A to create circle D centered at point D. So choose the compass tool and click on point A, then point F. Be careful not to click again just yet. You are now dragging a copy of the original circle. Click on point D. This will copy circle A and create circle D. Alright, so we're going to select our compass, select our center point and the radius length, which ends up being to point F. This is going to copy that exact same circle, and we're going to copy it to point D, wherever your point D is located. So now choose the intersect tool again and click on circle D, and ray DE will now see the intersection. So intersect tool, circle D, ray DE, there's the intersection. Click the show/hide tool, select our intersection, which is intersection H. So now what this means is that point H is the same distance away from point D as point F is distance away from point A. So for the next step, construct a circle at point H with the radius equal to F to G. So choose the compass tool again and click on the point F to G. Be careful, you are dragging another circle. Please place that circle by clicking on point H. So select the compass tool. We're going to create this radius. We want the circle to be as wide as F to G. And now we're going to drag that to point H. So now we know that this circle has a radius length of FG. And if you notice, G is actually on our original circle, circle A, and we copied circle A right here. So circle H intersects with circle D at 2 points. Choose the intersect tool and click on circle D and circle H. Choose the show/hide tool and click on the new points. They should now be labeled I and J. So intersect tool, circle D, circle H. There's one intersection point. If you do not see another intersection point, zoom out. Now I see another intersection point. So now click on the show/hide tool. Mine are labeling as J and I. So now we want to construct angle IDE. So choose the ray tool and click on the points D and I. Now you have ray DI and angle EDI. So select the ray tool, select on points D and point I. So now we have this angle EDI. Now that we have this angle, let's verify that it's a copy of angle A. Choose the angle tool and click on the points EDI in that order. If you select them in a different order, the angle will not be measured correctly. So EDI. I cannot see that clearly, so I want to see if I can move. It's not letting me move that angle measure. Okay, so if the so please make sure that you do it in the order of EDI. So now we're going to just make sure that we copied this correctly. Select this angle C, and if you notice that it is changing to match it no matter what, so I'm going to move this to where I can see both of those angles quite clearly. And I want to know that you have unique angle measures. So please make sure that your angle is different than 169 degrees. Also, please make sure that you're zoomed out enough that you can see all of the construction markings that we created, and take a screenshot that includes your whole screen for verification reasons. Thank you.